Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. The video I have brought for you today that is about beautiful bridals, hand designs and DPs collection. You can choose the bridals mehendi collection hand DPs ideas in different styles and poses. You can choose the DPs collection for your WhatsApp DPs, your Instagram profile pictures, and Facebook cover photos. I hope you like these ideas. If you like these ideas, friends, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video, and sharing my video with friends and your family members. Very beautiful and very amazing ideas I have brought for you. Tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me, friends. You can easily take the screenshot and save in your gallery these pictures and set on your social accounts and share these pictures with your friends and family members. If you want videos and ideas about your choice, then you tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch videos and get ideas about your choice. Now friends, I am going to meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.